Hi guys, for today we will be having a quick review on Brave browser. So we are also going to learn how to earn money with Brave browser. So with no further ado, let's dive into this. So all you have to do is to open your current browser. Let's say for me I'm using Brave browser right now. And what you have to do is to search on Brave browser, and as you can see I've already searched it here, and you will see the first thing that comes up is brave.com. So all you have to do is to click on that and you will be directed to this. So here you will see you can download the Brave browser immediately. So when you press this, you get the file here and it starts downloading. So basically all you have to do is to just install it like other browsers such as Google Chrome, and then open the Brave browser. And as you can see here, I've already opened it and it just looks like, for example, Chrome. If you have imported bookmarks, it will show up here. So this is what the Brave browser looks like. So you'll see here that it has blocked trackers and ads, 931. It has saved me 55.4 megabytes of bandwidth and 47 seconds time saved. So on the right side here you will see this, like a notepad that says Brave Rewards, and basically this will be your monitoring sheet that monitors total balance on your Brave rewards. So as you use this browser, the more you get. So if you're wondering how could I gain or earn money from just simply using the advertisement, well, that is simple. Here you will see your reward settings. If you click on your reward settings, so this will pop up, and as you can see here, Brave private ads. Earn tokens by viewing Brave private ads. Ads presented are based on your interests as inferred from your browsing behavior. No personal data or browsing history ever leaves your browser. So the more you watch the advertisements, the more you gain. So just simply using this browser, you could earn money effortlessly. So here you will see the Brave private ad settings. If you click on that, you will see this. This is a maximum number of advertisements displayed. So here you will see 0 advertisements per hour up to 10 ads per hour. So our goal here is to earn money. So we are going to check the 10 ads per hour. Because as said, the more advertisements, the more money you will earn watching all the ads. So the next thing that I'm going to discuss to you is how to earn the money. So I have made this sheet. So for Asian countries, earnings per advertisement is 0.01 BAT. US, Canada, UK and so on earn 0.03 to 0.05 BAT per ad. Let's say your average online time is 4 hours per day, and so you do 4 hours per day multiplied by 30 days, 1 month, and that will add up to 120 hours a month. So this will be your average online time. So our rate is 10 ads per hour. So we will multiply 4 hours by 10 advertisements an hour for 30 days, 1 month. And that adds up to 1,200. So for Asian countries, then we add this up to 1,200 times 0.01 and that will be 12 BAT per month. And for US, Canada, and UK, that will be between 36 BAT or BAT a month and 60 BAT or BAT a month. So what is BAT? I will show you this now. So BAT, or Basic Attention Token, is a cryptocurrency. For today, per BAT, it costs $0.352. So if you multiply this one with the current BAT token you have, you can see how much money you have. So now if you're thinking, how can I get that money? Well, you go back here, and if you click here, and now you are unverified. So to be a verified member, you continue here, and you create an account on either Uphold or Gemini, and create a wallet with either one of these wallet creators and marketplaces. So you can, example, go to Gemini and create an account like this here.